Hi สวัสดีครับ I'm John. Welcome back to my channel again. Thank you so much for your following and keep watching. And many thanks to many comments that improve our channels or can be improved or make it better by sharing. Today I have some trick about how to transform the 35mm film to be used on the Hasselblad, the medium format by using the adapter. Some of them recommend that they have some problem to use it. So let's find out how to make it use or what's prohibit or what's caution or whatever have to beware and whatever you can do or should do. Thank you. Please following. Okay. First, you have to understand that the limitation of the film or the adapter, the A12 cannot be used smoothly with the adapter because actually 35mm format. But when you're loading with the A12, you will have some problem with the mechanical inside because they stop at the 12 frames. You cannot be continue anyway. But actually the film still remain in the cassette. That's a problem when you use with the A12 film magazines. So another solution is I recommend that you have to try the A24 film back. Let's getting started. How to loading. Okay, try the first one first by putting the adapter top here. Another one side here. And put in the insert of the whole thing here. Okay. You have to understand that they have two sides of the film. This is a shiny side and this is the flat side. Please remember that the flat side will be exposed with the lights through the camera. Okay. Be careful, you may be put the wrong side. Please remember that. Okay. This is the right way to do that. Okay. Leave the empty rows here and put the adapter another side here. It's loading like usually when you loading the medium format roll film. Okay, just sliding that. Okay, there is no mark on the film, so you have to guess the film is completely loaded. Okay, and in the right position. Okay, then put your thumb slightly here and put insert like this. Okay. How to getting start regularly position. You just turn 2 rounds. Remember that 2 rounds. Okay, by turning 1 and then 2. Okay, now it's ready to shoot. The film sprocket will be appears on the film. Before you take, you can take right away. So you have to change the focusing screen from the regularly to be the vertical, okay, because the film is in vertical. Okay. Okay, now ready to shoot. Okay, I use the CF5 for 50mm wide angle lens. This is the floating lens versions that can change the sharpness here. Let's see how to use it. Is more convenience or troubles or whatever, I don't know. This is the first lesson SMS used to. Okay, sorry again for bad English, but I hope you try to understand. I have to learning to understand how the 135mm on the 120 medium format. In case I want to get some horizontal, it's maybe some problem. I have to pay concentration Okay. Oh, it's give me many problems. But having fun and enjoy with it. Okay. It looks like a panoramic view from this angle. I have to change it from the West Level Finder to be Prism Finder. That make me more comfortable and versatile to use or to set up the composition. My life much more better, I think. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's beautiful here. Very low speed. In horizontal. Wow, so easy. It's more convenient to use the Prism Finder with the adapters and really easy. Okay. A wide angle lens is very good for the architect and landscape. The 50mm is a very nice lens that having fun and enjoy with it a lot. I cut the film here to be flat and ready to connect with the other sprocket or film strip here. Okay. You have to prepare the tape and the scissor, or you can do it at home before you come. Okay. The length is about 18 inches or 45 centimeters that are checked and work smartly to stop at the first frame on the A24 correctly. By this way, I can take more 22 or 23 exposures. Okay. All right. Use the adapter here. Okay. All right. Like you're regularly loading the film. Okay. Like this. Okay. Be careful. Okay. And relax. No need to be hurried. All right. It's firmly here. We use the mechanical to widen and stop at the first frame. Okay. By this way, we will get about 24 exposures. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have an appointment with my adopted child here at the mini mall. But it's not time now. I will walk around here and take some pictures through the 80mm. Through the 120 to 135 films adapter. Okay. Let's enjoy it together. It's difficult to set the exposure here or set the composition. I think I have to change from the West Level Finder to the Prism Finder, maybe more convenient. Hi.
I'm here.
Okay. How long you waiting? สวัสดีค่ะ พร้อมถ่ายรูปยังลูก
พร้อมแล้วค่ะ
ไปเลย เดี๋ยวแดดหมด วันนี้แดดดีมากเลย Ready? Wow. You take the 50 millimeters architecture lens with a model and architect. Wow. Alright, we use the 50 millimeters with model and architecture. Okay, our landscape.
Oh.
สนุกไหมครับ
สนุกค่ะ
ดีเลย
นี่ค่ะร้านนี้ค่ะ อร่อย
Oh. Be ready for wow. Relax. Di. So. Its look and family I can see through the viewfinder that mark for the 135 format film here. But many things is challenge. You can try is having fun. Okay, camera. Yeah. Alright, okay. Another side. Okay, so here. Yep. Alright, cool. She's very nice girl and her works for many charity projects and her living and earning money by her own. She's very smart. That's her.
Thank you.
It's very good for the idols, for other idols. Okay. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed and please give me your apologize for my poor English. Try to improve and hope you try to understand. Okay. ลาไปก่อน ขอบคุณมากที่ติดตามชมกันครับ สวัสดีครับ